Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about third-party AI training in YouTube Studio. Third-party AI training in YouTube Studio is a feature that allows publicly available content, such as videos and comments, to be used by third-party AI systems for training and improving their models. This means AI companies can use your public content to enhance their tools, but your ownership of the content remains intact. While opting out gives you greater control over your content and ensures it isn't used without your consent, staying opted in can contribute to AI innovation and potentially give your content more exposure. Importantly, private or unlisted videos and private comments are excluded from this feature, and YouTube does not sell your data but facilitates authorized access for AI training. It's crucial to stay informed about changes to this policy and monitor how your content is used to protect your intellectual property and privacy. So, let's see how to enable this feature. First, log in to your YouTube Studio account. Click on Settings. Click on Channel. Click on Advanced Settings. Scroll down. Click on Allow. You can select here what companies can access your videos. Or you can allow all companies to access your videos. After that, click on Save.